Hello, it's Crafty Ria, and welcome to another video. Today I have some exciting products to share with you that I received from our friends over at Globleland. They are an awesome online crafting website, and they have all sorts of really great craft supplies at really great prices. They have allowed me to go on their website and choose a bunch of items to bring to you, and in return I will make some videos, this unboxing video, and then 2 project tutorial videos. The products that I picked this time are really awesome. I think you're going to love them, and I hope you love the projects that I bring to you. I'm going to start by showing you their website. This is here on my iPad. Super easy to navigate. They have some new arrivals on their website. They have a bunch of wooden stamps that are new, and then also some of this gorgeous paper, and of course lots of die cutting supplies. So you can scroll down and look at the different categories. For example, if you want to look at the cutting dies, you can just go there and scroll through to your heart's content and find all sorts of cutting dies that are available. So for example, here is the set of snowman dies that I'm going to show you in just a moment. And as you can see, it gives you a full description, and the prices are super reasonable. This happens to be $3.15 for this whole set. And you can also scroll through the images to get some ideas of what you can do with the dies. So let me go ahead and show you what I received in the order. The first thing I chose were these really cool stickers. That comes with 2 rolls of stickers. They are both the same. These rolls of stickers are huge. And they are these really pretty Christmas ornaments. And it has all of those different ones. Both rolls are the same, but you can see how big the rolls are. So there are plenty of stickers. I think I will use them on my Christmas cards to seal the envelopes, and then also maybe in some other projects. And then the next item are the snowman dies that I just showed you on the website. We have this set here, and it comes with the accessories, the hats, and the scarves. It comes with a little pail, a little Christmas tree, and some mittens. And the snowman measures about 2 3/4 inches tall, and about just shy of 2 inches wide, 1 7/8 inches wide. So it makes a pretty good size snowman, and then you can make any of these accessories to make him look like a girl, a boy, a traditional snowman. There are the ideas there. And this is one set. I just took it out of the package. Everything comes packaged nicely in these packages. Then there is this die, and this looks kind of weird. It is a card die, and it has the perforations here for folding, and then it also cuts out. Let me see if I can pull it up on the website to show you what it does. Here is this die. It cuts out this 3D kind of like fancy card. It's a really neat folded card. I thought it would be really fun to do. I've done this before cutting with an X-Acto knife, but I think the die will make it much easier. And this die measures 8 3/4 inches by about 4 1/4. So I think when folded, it should make an A2 size card or pretty close to it. So that will be fun to use. And then I bought 3 sets of silicone stamps. They come in a set of 4 sheets of stamps, and this is the first one. I thought these stamps would be really cute. They look like postage stamps. They would go great on envelopes at Christmas time for Christmas cards to send out. This one here I thought would be really neat. You can stamp the solid tree in one color and then stamp those over top of it to make a layered stamp. And then we have this set, which is really pretty. And then I thought these sentiments would be great for either the front of a card or inside the card, some of these sentiments. Some of these stamps like this, you could stamp up a bunch of the images and then just, when you're watching TV, just sit down and color them. So that is the first set. You can buy these individually or in the set of 4, which is nice. This is the second set of 4. I love using snowflakes as embellishments, and I thought this set of stamps would be really great. Then there's all of these greeneries and the poinsettia and the holly. These would make really pretty wreaths. This could be a wreath builder set. And then, of course, the big sentiment that says Merry Christmas would be great as well. Then we have this set of Christmas ornaments. Really pretty. Again, you could do so much with these. And then this one here is really cool. Again, some of these would be pretty for the outside of an envelope because they look like postage stamps. That looks like a canceled stamp. They'd also look good on a card or inside of a card. And that was the second set. And again, you can get them individually or in the set of 4. And then my very favorite one is at the very bottom. I'm going to show you that one last. We have this beautiful one with the deer in the woods. Here is another very pretty hearth and Christmas tree and some cute sentiments. Again, you could stamp these larger images out on paper, and then when you are sitting down watching TV or whatever, you can color them. I'll save that last one as a surprise. And then we have some really pretty, more sprigs of holly and evergreens and some poinsettias. Again, this could be used as accents or on a wreath. And then my very favorite set. As soon as I saw these, I gasped. I love them. Let's look at these dogs. I love them so much. And they have a word in them. Like this one is winter, this one is Christmas, this one is New Year, happy. So like this happy one, you could use for birthday too. It doesn't have to be Christmas. Or you could do both of them that says Happy New Year. You can say Happy Christmas, Happy Winter. And I love that it says Merry Christmas from the dog. I think Jonah will stamp all of the cards on the inside that says Merry Christmas from the dog. So very, very cute. And of course, that cute little doggy there. I just love this stamp set. This is my absolute favorite. I was going to buy it by itself, and then I saw that it came in this pack of 4, and I thought the other ones would come in handy as well, so I went ahead and got it. Well, thank you everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed all of these products that I'm bringing you today from Globleland. I have a ton of stamps. I can't believe how many there are. They did give me a coupon code that you can use. It is Johnson10, Johnsson, and the number 10, and that will give you 10% off of your order. I will put links to all of these products in the description box below. Please do use my links so that way they know that I sent you. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do click on that subscribe button down there so you can see what I do with all of these. I will be bringing you at least 2 more videos using these products, but they'll probably show up time and again because they are awesome. And as many of you know, I make Christmas cards year round. So if you're into Christmas cards, please do subscribe and you will see lots and lots of Christmas cards and projects. If you like what you see, please do give this a thumbs up, and then also leave me a comment below letting me know which item is your favorite. Let me know if you see anything on the website that you are particularly interested in, and I may just order it in a future order and bring a project to you. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.